Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, guys. Today we're going to talk about Prequel, and I'm going to show you guys in this tutorial that how I got a mod on the game. So practically before I start and show to you how it looks like, I just want to mention to you guys that this mod is available for the both devices, iOS and Android. I'm just going to show the steps with my iPhone right now. The same steps is working also for the Android users. I did it on my Samsung. I'm recording with my Samsung for the moment, so I cannot show you the steps, but if you want me to make a tutorial for the Android users, you can just let me know in the comment section, guys, and I will be very happy to make a tutorial also for you in Android if you want me to, even if the steps are the same. Okay, so I'm just going to open the game real quick right now so you can see it by yourself how the mod looks like, and it gave me unlimited gems and fish and chips. So I'm just going to open the game so you can see the mod. I'll not stay to play, so I don't want to make the video too long. And I will go immediately after to show you what I have done, so in order you can learn it also you how to do it. Okay, just to start this. Okay, green one more time. As I mentioned, I'll try to make it as shorter as I can the video. Okay, as you can see here on the top, got so many gems, just to click, and look at this, I have so many of them, guys, and now I'm going to show you how I did it. Okay, so practically before we start the whole process, you just need to make sure you have a good connection with internet, guys. It will be good if you can get connected with Wi-Fi and have active the mobile data, so the whole process doesn't interrupt because of internet connection. If you're not sure how to check this, I'm going to show you immediately. You just need to go to your settings. You can just scroll it to general here, and then you have this option here, background up refresh. You click on it, and then on top again, background up refresh, and over here you have this option, Wi-Fi and mobile data. You just have to select this. All right, and then you just have to go back to settings, scroll it down again to App Store, and you have this option to automatic downloads, make it on. So if you have it switch off, make it on so the whole process can proceed correctly. All right, so this is it, guys, and then just have to get back to your home screen, and all you have to do, you just need to go to your internet browser. Just to mention before we start, that this step that I already showed you in the settings is just required for the iOS users, guys. For the Android users, there is no need to make these changes. You just have to go straight to your internet browser. All right, just go and search about this site. It's called Find APK Mods. Okay, 1 second, is the first one here. All right, inside of the site you have a lot of other mods and games. You can check later if you're interested for something else. If not, just go search in the searching bar about the game. All right, here it is. You just press on it and then install button, and just need to wait a couple of seconds for the whole process to be done, and like this you're gonna be able to install the mod, guys, and it will start to generate the gems and fish and chips like me. All right, so this is my video tour for today, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, don't forget to press the like button. See you in the next videos, guys. Cheers.